They all knew this flat earth cosmology. They knew these secrets. It's so sacred you understand the creation that you're inside of. Because if you don't, you'll be led astray. You don't know where you are. You're lost. And here's the Masonic art with the rays of the stars coming down with the tree in the center. So it was personified as a tree. We are in Midgard, the middle garden, where there's good and evil. So the 7 layers of heaven in the Quran. Each planet has a different layer of the firmament. And these are our 7 layers of the energy centers in our body. So we start in the stars. So we are stars in a physical body. This is why we say Mr., Sister, Fraudster, Sinister. Stir is star, and our star descends into the soul system, not solar system. And as we descend into the soul system, we enter Satan's kingdom, Satan's world. As it says in the Bible, Satan is the god of this world. Satan is Saturn. Saturn's world, because Saturn's the outermost ring. He's the Lord of the Rings. And you enter his kingdom, the kingdom of time, and this is why Saturn's the time god. As soon as you go past the rings of Saturn, you're now in the soul system, you're now in time, you're now bound by space and time. You're bound to the earth plane, the heart. Earth is heart. It's a rearrangement, it's an anagram for heart. And the heart of the electromagnetic color spectrum is green, and that's why the earth is green. And above green is blue, and this is why the sky is blue. In order to go to heaven on the macro scale, you have to go through the blue sky, the 7 layers of heaven. In order to reach heaven in your body, whilst you're here, you have to go through the blue chakra to your head, which is heaven. It's micro, macro. Everything is micro, macro inside of this creation. It's an ancient piece of art from the ancient French with, obviously, the 7 layers of heaven, which they all depict. And notice how it's like a dome. These 7 layers of heaven give us the 7 metals, the 7 days of the week, the 7 diatonic tones, the 7 chakras, the 7 everything. It's God's favorite number. And this is why the Masons use the G inside of the compass, because the G is the 7th letter, and God starts with G. So it's 7. God is 7. Here's another depiction of the heart, the soul system, the 7 layers of heaven. La Fermente, with the stars on the outermost layer, the 7 planets. Jupiter, Mars, La Sophie, the sun, La Luna, the moon, Saturn. So we are in the heart of this soul system. In order to ascend, we need to ascend up our chakra system. 144,000 hertz, God consciousness, master of the mind. The stars are constantly rotating around the center, magnetic north pole, the tornado at the center, stirring the ether. The center is the ether, and the 4 elements are born out of this ether. There's 5 elements: ether, spirit, water, air, and earth. Ether gives birth to the 4 other physical elements which the whole of creation are made out of. 4 is the number of stability. A table has 4 legs. It stables things. It's a foundation. And these 4 elements are the foundation of creation. And this magnetic north pole is stirring this, and the 4 vibrational states of the ether are the 4 elements.